Wow, such a refreshing waterfalls here. This is actually the Bukol Falls right here, just outside Isabela City. Wow! Hello guys, good morning. Actually it's late morning already. Okay, so welcome back to the video, welcome back to my channel. Alright, I'll tell you a little bit my accommodation. I will be here in Basilan, in Basilan in general, for 2 nights. Okay, so the first night I stayed there at Casa Rosario, but I decided to try the other accommodation here that they have here in Isabela. So that's what I did. I transferred, what they call this, Hotel Sofia, or also known as Sofia Hotel. And then so I already checked out, okay, at Casa Rosario, and then I transferred my things to Hotel Sofia. So obviously still not yet check-in time, so I just left my baggage there. Okay, so now I'm off to new adventure right now. So let's see what we can do here. I'm actually trying to see the Cabunbata Falls here, or also known as Bukol Falls. So let's try to hire a tricycle that will bring me there. Okay, all right, so let's try to talk if this tricycle can bring me there to Cabunbata. Ay, pwede ba sa Cabunbata, Bukol Falls? Or malayo na yon? Labas na kasi yan dito, no? Hindi pwede to?
City limit lang po.
Ah, city limit lang kayo. So ano yung ano ko, yung mga tricycle, yung kahit ano na lang dyan? Tanungin ko na lang. Sige, thank you. The tricycle driver that I just spoke, you know, the pink tricycle, he said that he can't do it because his route is only within city limits, because the destination, the Bukol Falls, is actually outside I think it's outside the city proper. But anyhow, I'm walking, and I'm walking towards the bridge, this one. Look at that. Yeah, with several arcs they have here. Yeah. Let's see that. Okay, so underneath the bridge there are actually houses on stilts. Yeah, there are houses on stilts. I'll show them to you. Look at that. Boom. And with these common boats inside. Yeah, this kind of boat is actually very common here in Basilan. Yeah. Oh, let's try to cross. Let's try to cross at the other side. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, some house on stilts again. Boats. Yeah. All right, voila. Let's try to cross the bridge, and let's get to the other side. Yeah. Oh, look, there's actually a sunken boat. I just realized it's a sunken boat. Yeah, that one. With a speeding boat. Okay, going inland. Oh, look at that, you know, the wave he created, that boat. Okay, it makes the other boats here at the, you know, at the bank of the river move around. Yeah, what a sight. Alright, so I found a tricycle. So this is a tricycle that will bring me there. Hello po! Ayan! Okay. Off we go! So I just arrived here for this tricycle service. Yeah. Kuya, what is your name? Ano pa? Huh?
Brian.
Brian, yeah. He is my tricycle driver. Okay, so now I will show you. All right, so one of the famous, you know, spots okay, spots, tourist spots here in Basilan is this Bukol Falls, okay, or also known as Cabunbata Falls, and it's just right next to the national highway. So this is the highway, paved highway by the way. All right, and I'll show it to you guys. Are you ready? Here it is. Boom. All right, so that's the view from afar. I think it's just I think 100 meters away or 150 meters away from the highway, but of course we are going to go there. All right, so let's see. All right, and the good thing now is the sun is up, yeah, because you know, as I mentioned in the previous video, it's been raining the whole morning. But right now it's almost 12 noon. Good thing the sun is already up. Look at that sun. Okay, so it's a sunny Friday now, Friday noon, and yeah, from here I can already hear the, you know, the sound of the water falling from this cliff. Yeah. Okay, wow, amazing, isn't it? Good. Wow. Okay, look. Oops. Oh, I slipped again. Look at that falls. Wow. And I think I own this waterfalls right now solo. I'm only here, I'm alone, well, except with my driver. And look at that. Wow. How come it's not, you know, fenced? Because in some places in the Philippines, oh, if you have like place like this, it's already fenced, you know, but here it's open. It's just right next to the highway. That's the highway, guys. All right. Wow, what a sight to behold here in Basilan. Boom. Okay, I think this falls, the height of this falls is around approximately 100 meters, more or less, yeah. 100 meters waterfalls here. And the width is like, I think, what? Maybe around 30 to 40 meters wide. Wow. Of course, I'm going to, you know, dive in. I won't pass this opportunity without, you know, going into that waterfall, you know, take a swim, take a dip. All right, let's go. Here's my personal driver. All right, wow. Woo. The water is, of course, it's cold. It's refreshing. Yeah. Welcome to Basilan! Yeah! Damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a Basilan! Wow, such a refreshing waterfalls here. This is actually the Bukol Falls right here, just outside Isabela City. Wow! Alright, Bukol Falls, you're the best here in Basilan. Wow. And of course, this water flows out to the ocean, which is, I think, some kilometers away from here. Okay, and there's a main highway right there, just very close from here. Yeah. Alright, so I just arrived here at Barangay Upper Malige. Okay, so Kuya Brian actually, yeah, that's him. Actually, he's going somewhere to buy some drinks for us. Okay, but he's of course coming back. And so again, we are here at the Upper Malige, and I'll show you this part here. And this is actually overlooking. This part here is a perfect spot for overlooking. Yeah. Okay, so let's go here. Wow, look at that. See, it's actually a steep cliff here. All right, so yeah, I think that island over there, I don't know if you can distinguish it, but that's Malamawi. That's where we're going to go later. All right, and yeah, and that's a big mountain range up there, so that should be the, of course, the tip of Zamboanga Peninsula. So look at the lush vegetation, lush forest here in this part of Isabela. Wow. So again, guys, we are here in the province of Basilan. Yeah, and the kids are actually, well, you know, they are flying with their kites. Where is the kite? Oh, there. Oh, wow. Wow, so high already. I don't know if you can see it, but the kite is color yellow. Yeah. Good, nice. Amazing.